Hi, audience. Welcome to my presentation. This is Chunhao Wang presenting. I'm the student in ITU, being computer engineering as my major. Today, I'm going to share a latest technical event I just attended in Silicon Valley. That is in regarding to topic deep learning. Since I'm selecting computer engineering as my main course this semester, there is the concept as well as fundamental knowledge is related with this event. In the meantime, I also would like to meet some people who are working on or already worked on this field a couple years in order for me to extend my social network, particularly from job market perspective. Because after my graduates, I really want to engage this field. So that's the reason why I picked this event. And also, as I want to point here, the most important part is this event is not just a single event. Actually, that's a series course. During this course, not only you can learn some fundamental concept as well as knowledge, but also you will be able to get opportunity to practice and achieve some hands-on experience with the project or topics the advisor gave to you. That's very interesting and more attractive for me. So today I would like to talk two parts. First part is how do I find out this such event? And second part is what I learned from this event. Regarding the first topic, as a technical person, or you really want to work on the high-tech stuff, I think you may or may not know there is a popular website called Meetup. The Meetup is not only just covered technical events or meeting in Silicon Valley, but also it's for fun. If you have any habits or interesting stuff you really want to do, like hiking and climbing or camping, you also can get some events and you can meet the person who has the same experience or interesting as you have. So you just go to Google, you just Google meetup.com, you will be able to find out this website and on their end, and you can filter what kind of interesting group or event you want to attend to, and you will be able to find out the stuff you are looking for. So for me, as a student, I'm learning some computer engineering stuff. So this I can use that as a keywords to search. So the first step, I'm find out the deep learning study group that is sponsored by some big company like Google, Amazon, Netflix, etc. And in this group, there's a lot of people coming from those company and work on the deep learning and or relative stuff a couple years or even decades. So that is quite useful or worthy for me to learning some stuff from those experts or talents. And for this, okay, today I just want to give you a big picture. For example, the latest event I attended to, the particular topic is teaching primary capsules as a algorithm for deep learning. That is a very cutting-edge algorithm. The reason why people prefer to use it is they have more efficiency. In the meantime, they cost or consume less the physical resources like memory or CPU. The most important part is we can leverage this algorithm to evaluate the result at very efficient way and more faster way to get it. So I think that's the two main reasons this kind of algorithm is popular in current industry. And also you can see the picture from the picture. You can see in these groups we are just working some projects just given by the advisor or the organizer for this event, and they give you some. It's not that hard or not really complicated topic, but it's very useful for some day-to-day work as a coder or as a programming engineer, work on the deep learning field, particularly for the algorithm. And those concepts I have been taught in computer engineering class, and the professor taught us some fundamental concept and knowledge about this algorithm, as well as the deep learning, some basic stuff. And so once I attended this event, I can take advantage of hands-on experience as well as practicing opportunity to make more familiar or engage to understand how that works in the real life or in the real work. So I think that's also is most important part for you job searching in the future if you really want to work in this field. And I think last part is quite obvious, is during the meeting, you will be able to meet a lot of people who are working on this field or have been working on this field years. As I mentioned at the beginning, this event is sponsored by some big company. So in the meantime, this company also want to take advantage of this event to seeking some potential candidates and to bring those candidates to their teams. Because currently this industry or this field is quite new, and also it's quite popular in the current markets. So they just want to get more talents as much as they can. So I think also this why they hold this event. And through this event, two most important parts can be learned. First part is, as I mentioned before, is from the academic perspective, to make you learning some stuff and also help you understanding some concepts you have learned from your class. And in the meantime, the part will be the from social networks perspective. So here are some tips I really want to share with you. And the first of all, once you get familiar with somebody or with the people who are working this field, you better just keep contacts or keeping in touch with each other. So for me, I I'm using LinkedIn as my social network in the job market. So I just follow every single people through the LinkedIn, and later on we get familiar. Once they have some opportunity, they can share with you, and also through this job LinkedIn as planned for, they will be able to get familiar you historical experience as well as your motivation as well as your job, your career goal. So I think that is the most important part. So, okay, I think that'll be all. And thanks for you watching, and hope see you soon. And also hope that helps for you. Have a good one. See you. Bye bye.